So let's look at the number 35 Ferrari. This is the Ferrari Testarossa. Now there are 6 blue card variations of the 35. And there is one blue and white card that I'm going to add to this session, this series. And I'll tell you why when we get down to that point. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV, the Blue Card series. Today we're going to be looking at the number 35 Ferrari. Now I know we got a lot of Ferrari fans all over the world. I pretty much think that the Ferrari fans are mostly around the world. For some reason, we don't get too many Ferraris around here. And overseas, yeah, man, they're everywhere. And of course, a lot of fans. So let's look at the number 35 Ferrari. This is the Ferrari Testarossa. Now there are 6 blue card variations of the 35. And there is one blue and white card that I'm going to add to this session, this series. And I'll tell you why when we get down to that point. So now a lot of you guys have seen the red Ferrari. It has Ultra Hots on it, and it has a tan interior, and you can see inside the floorboards are red. The rear panel is also tan. It goes with the interior. This is a Speed Points card. Or not the card, but Speed Point. Well, yeah, I guess, because it's got Speed Points in the card, in the package. Also, the rear bumper on this is a darker shade of red plastic. All right. Let's get to the next one, which is the, of course, Ferrari Testarossa. But it has a black interior. And you can see the rear light panel or whatever that is there. Could be lights. Yeah, I think it's lights. But that's black to go with the black interior. Now these both have clear windows. You can also see the red floor or the red seats and floor through the window. Now the seats and this other one, the seats, I said were tan, but they're also red and tan. They have a red insert in the seat. This one has a black insert in the seat and also has Ultra Hots. These are also Malaysia-based cars. They are metal body and a metal chassis. Next one up is, again, the Ferrari Testarossa. Oh, also, this one has the darker rear bumper, which is plastic. Now this one looks pretty much the same as this one here, the earlier one. But if you look at the tampo on the nose, where it says Ferrari, it is much larger. Okay, the first one had a small Ferrari written out in yellow on the hood. Or the front, because engine's not in there, engine's in the back, right? Or in the middle. But yeah, the Ferrari wording is much larger on this one than it was on the earlier one. And now we get to the black ones. Now, this is the gold medal Speed, and this one's got a little bit of a yellowed blister on it. A lot of them happened around then, 94, 95. For some reason, the plastic was just really not that good. And whether the sunshine got to it or not, but I doubt it because you know, these are, all of my stuff is hanging on a wall, so there's really no UV rays to get to it. But this is black. It has a black metal base, and the interior is tan. This one has a black insert in the seat, and you can see the black floorboards in there also. It has gold Ultra Hots because it is a gold metal speed car. It has, again, like I said, the interior is tan, so the front grille and the rear grille, let's call it, are tan. And also the others, I forgot to mention that the others have their grills, the fronts are the same as the rear. So if it has a tan interior, it has a tan front grille on it. Now this one, like I said, is got gold Ultra Hots, and it is black with a tan and black interior. Another gold metal speed, and this comes with gold 3 spokes, and it has the same interior as the one with the gold Ultra Hots, but the Ferrari logo on the hood, the one with the Ultra Hots, the prancing horse is in yellow. This one, the prancing horse, is in black. And is it smaller? Yeah. The crest itself is smaller on the 3-spoke than it is on the gold Ultra Hot. So that's another one to look out for. And the next one up is another gold metal speed. And this one is the same as the one with the gold 3 spokes. Has the tan interior with black inserts in the seat, the black floorboards. The Ferrari logo on the nose is the same. The crest is the same. Only thing different in this one is that it has the gold BBS wheels. Now, so we're going to talk about the other one. Now, this one is not a blue card. You know, we've talked about that before in previous episodes. This is a blue and white card. 1995, they started coming out with the collector numbers into the blue and white cards. Just for a recap here, blue cards, all blue with a white collector number in the lower right-hand corner. Blue and white cards, blue and white, but with a blue collector number in the bottom right-hand corner. A lot of these cars from 94, 95, maybe 96, I would have to really get into it, but when they changed to the blue and white cards, you'll find a lot of the same car in both packages. All right, so myself, I do collect the same car in the different package, in the blue and white numbered package also. Any of my books are all about the collector numbers 1 through 1121, which goes up to 1999. So I do have the blue and white cards in my collection, and again, like I said, the same car, just a different card in that 94, 95, 96 era. But this one here is the number 35, the black car with gold BBS wheels, the wire wheels. But the thing about this one is it has a black interior total. It is a black seat. There is no insert. It is a black interior, where this one is a tan interior with the black insert on it. But the rear grille, the front grille, they are black. It is a total black interior, clear window. The Ferrari logo and the crest and everything on the hood is all the same. The only thing different is the black interior. The black interior is the hardest one to get for this series. It's right up there in price. Really hard to come by. I've only, there's a bunch of them out there. But if you are a collector number guy, I know that you probably searched for this thing. So that's why I added the blue and white one here for this, because it is a 35, but it's not a blue card. But it is really, really hard to come by. So there you have it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the Ferrari number 35 variations. 6 of them are blue cards, and one of them is the blue and white card. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'm really digging the doing the blue card thing, and I know you guys are too. I see a lot of people talking about it, so that's great. All of the blue card stuff is going to be or is in its very own listing. Just look in our our YouTube, and you'll see Hot Wheels blue cards. Click on that, and it's the whole bunch that we've done so far. So if there's more blue cards that you want to look at, just check out that that list right there, playlist as they call it. So again, thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Really appreciate it. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends, and of course, please be kind to one another. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, you guys take care of yourselves, and we hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.